Shubh Rana on the telecast with me. She's at the Delhi railway station. Shubh, situation not any better at the Delhi railway station. We saw that the Minto road that leads to the railway station was completely inundated. Traffic jam over there. There are a number of cars and other vehicles that had stranded, could not move because water was knee deep.
Yes, definitely, Megha, because I am currently reporting live from the pathway that leads to the Delhi airport and also the Rajghat. And this is the same pathway which connects to the Kashmiri Gate, which is the busiest route. And as you can see in the visuals, this is a 4-lane road. And amongst that, only 1 lane is functional because many vehicles have been facing problems since half of the road is occupied with the water, and many cars were also submerged at that time, but they were towed and the road was all clear. But you can see in the visuals, which are very alarming, because since past 10 years, when this is very known that monsoons will come, there must be a separate plan for monsoons, due to which the Delhi Heights doesn't face any problem, but crores of people who have been who go for their work, who go to carry their daily business, are being facing many problems. As you can see in the visuals, the traffic is being very slowed down. Only 1 lane is functional. The people who are traveling on the 2 vehicles are facing problem. As you can see in the visuals also, this bike person is going by removing his shoes because this is very difficult. And also there were also many people who were behind these grass routes who have been facing many problems, who cannot pass through that since the water level is very high. Also, an emergency meeting has been called by the Delhi minister, by Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj, in which they have also laid down a process through which what steps needs to require, since it is the day 1 of monsoon and the situation seems very alarming. And on the parallel of this road is another road which connects to Ring Road, to Kashmiri Gate, further connecting to Noida and parts of UP also. But since the monsoon have arrived, this is the day 1, and the situation in the national capital have been very alarming, since this is the busiest route and this seems to be going through 1 lane only, Megha.
Right, absolutely, Shubh. Thanks for giving us those details. Now, my colleagues have also.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.